Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a beautiful photo book. Maybe you want to collect memories, print an album, or just have a keepsake. In Canva, you can easily make your own photo book, and it's really simple to customize existing templates. Make sure you're logged in to your Canva account. After logging in or creating your account, this is the interface you'll see. Next, go to the search bar and type Photo Book, and you'll see hundreds of options. You can choose whichever template you like, even the Pro templates, but don't worry, there are plenty of free ones too. Just explore all the templates and pick the one that fits your expectations and needs, then customize it. For now, let's move on. So this is the template that I really like. For example, maybe you're on vacation and want to create a photo book of your trip. To upload your images, just go to the Uploads option on the left side and upload them from your computer. In this way, you can upload your pictures. After uploading, you'll see your photos. And to replace the images in the template, you just need to drag and drop. This way, you can easily replace all the photos. If you want to edit the text, it's really simple. Just double-click and add anything you want. To change the font, just click on the text, open the font options, and you'll find tons of choices, both free and paid. Play around and choose whichever you like. This way, you can quickly replace all your images. Once you've uploaded and arranged your photos and are satisfied with your photo book, you can export it. To export, just go to the Share option, then Download. Here, you can export your photo book in any file format. If you want your photo book as a video, you can export it as MP4. If you'd like it as PNG or PDF, those options are available too. So like this, you can easily download your project and you'll have your very own photo book filled with memories. Photo books are really wonderful, and you can even show them to your grandchildren or family members in the future. It's a great way to save and share your memories. So yeah, if this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.